welcome to my channel, Inspirations by Latee, where y'all know everything this way is positive, motivational, inspirational. On my vlogs, you are going to get reviews, just my life, my everyday life, lifestyle content, vacationing, fashion, beauty, entrepreneurial talk. I do keep you guys updated with my career and my entrepreneurial goals and things like that, and new goals that I set forth for myself, things of that nature. So if you have not already done so, go check out some of my previous videos. Y'all know I already appreciate y'all for stopping by this channel, but as you can tell by the title what this video is going to be about. So I decided to kind of redo this because I did an unboxing video of my Jimmy Choo I perfume. And I did it when I was on vacation in Texas at my sister's house, and it was just all over the place. It was a house full of people and the kids kept interrupting me. So I still uploaded the video, but I just decided to come back and do another, like, not an unboxing obviously because I already unboxed it, but like a review of how I like it, what I like about it, things of that nature. So yeah, let's get right into it, y'all. So I got this when I was in Texas at the Alameda Mall in Houston, and I got the smaller bottle, and this cost me $55. I'm in love with it. Like, this is my main go-to. This is what I grab for. I stopped using it because I was just grabbing it too much and I don't want to use it all up. Even though I could easily go to Sephora and get another bottle or whatever, it's fine. I will do that eventually. But you know, I just stopped using it because I was neglecting my other fragrances, and I was like, look, I can't be smelling like Jimmy Choo every day, all day. So I just stopped using it. That's why, you know, it still has a decent amount in there. But yeah, so I don't know, you guys, like, I feel like I could wear this out and about during the day. I feel like I can wear this at night when my husband and I get out. I just wear it. I like it a lot, okay? So I have this little paper in my hand because I had to write down the notes because I was not gonna remember, okay? I already know how I am. I would have been like, the notes are, let me think about it. No, I have them written down because in the previous video, I was all over the place again, and I didn't tell y'all the notes. But anyways, so y'all, oh, I'm sipping too, honey. I'm sipping a day. And I got my Sunday dinner in the oven right now. It is Sunday, and I'm cooking dinner. It's in the oven, but I'm making roast, so it'll be okay. You know, roasts take a long time to cook, so. Anywho, and it's hot, girl. Child, is hot. I need this to fan me, if anything. But y'all, so anyways, the notes that are in there are mandarin juice, velvet peach, spider lily, jasmine, and vanilla. And you know, I smell the vanilla 100% for sure. I smell sweetness, so the velvet maybe. All right, so the velvet and the vanilla is probably where I'm getting the sweetness coming from. But it's everything. I really like it. So the next bottle that I go get of this vial, I must think I'm at work talking about a medication vial or something. But the next one that I go get of this is gonna be the big bottle. Yes, honey, it will be the big one because I really like it. So yes, but so also in this video, y'all, I also decided to come to y'all and show y'all what I got my husband, a gift that I got my husband. So I just wanted to show you guys that is not for me, but I thought I would share anyways, just so this video wouldn't be so short. Sometimes short and sweet is good, but I didn't want it to be too short, okay? So anywho, you guys, this is what I ended up getting my husband. So this is the bag. And y'all, I got him this for Father's Day, and he still has not worn it yet. But that's how he is. He'll wait forever to wear stuff. He'll just sit on it and keep it marinating in the closet until he feel like he's ready to pull it out. But yeah, this is what I got him for Father's Day. And it was so cute. I like these a lot. And I got something, a Gucci set, purse, and shoes similar to this. So we can kind of be twinning a little bit. We like doing that. Do y'all do that? Do y'all dress up with y'all husband significant other, man, whatever, boyfriend, do y'all do that sometimes? We don't do it all the time, but sometimes we want to be coordinated a little bit. So whenever we decide to do that, we can. And mine is not 100% like this, but it's very similar. It's the brown Gucci G's and things of that nature. So, but yeah, so that's what I got him. It has, but I paid, I want to say $6.90 for these shoes. And I'm not sure exactly what they call, y'all. They have the traditional green and red Gucci here. So they have the G's on the sole here, right around here. And then they got that red bottom, long heels, red bottoms, long heels, step, step. So yeah. And he already got some stuff to wear with it. He probably need to go shopping and get some more stuff, but he don't wear his stuff that much anyways, to be honest. We both work so much. We don't get to wear our items, anything, whether it's luxury, designer or not. We just don't get to wear it as much as we would like. But, you know, when we do step out, we step out the right way, okay? So, and I just love the box. I love the green. You know, a lot of people don't like green. Like, green is not like a fave of a lot of people. And I'm not gonna say it's my favorite color by any means. It's not my favorite color, but I really, really like green. It depends on what type of green too, though. But I also got him, he already has the belt to match that he's already had with another like Gucci set that he has that can go with this. So he just decided I decided not to get the belt. Knowing him, he'll probably go back and want to get the exact belt to this. But the belt that he has the G's on it, the gold G's, and it's just the green and red, just like this is what the belt looks like. But he might want to go himself and purchase just the brown belt, you know. I don't know, but it'll go just fine. So I didn't want to spend any more coin. So I just kept it at the hats and the shoes, honey. So yes, this is the hat here. And this is like this is a large hat because he has dreads and his hair, he has so much hair. So he has to get the biggest hat possible, you know. So a lot of times, you know, I wish I could wear his hats. But you know, with my wigs and my braids, I can fit his hats if I really wanted to wear it. Yes. Like, you know, if I really, really wanted to wear his stuff, I really could. But anyways, you guys, so yes, I had one, but I paid, the hat was, well, I'm gonna have to leave these prices in the description for y'all because your girl was not prepared with prices and names of things either. I must say I'm feeling pretty good today. I'm drinking on some Stella Rose. This is Stella Rose Watermelon, and it's really good and refreshing and very cold, I must say. That's probably why it's so good, because it's cold, so. But see, he probably don't want me to wear his stuff because I be having gel and not gel, but edge control in my hair. Guys, so yes, I wanted to come and show y'all that. Like I said, I'm upstairs cooking dinner. But what I'm gonna probably do tomorrow is bring y'all along with me because tomorrow I will be doing some marketing for my business. I'm gonna be basically getting on the computer and searching up a few a few businesses in the area, whether it be doctor's offices, churches, schools, daycare centers, things of that nature that I can market myself to teach CPR, because those types of positions and that type of employment requires for the staffing to have CPR certification. So most likely that's what I'm gonna get up early in the morning and do before I go to work. I don't have to be to work until 2 o'clock tomorrow, so I should be able to get up pretty early and get it in a little bit for my business, because I have been delaying things and it's been for a reason. It ain't just been just because, but now I feel like if you go back and see, that's what I'm saying, sis, go back and watch some of my previous videos and you'll be caught up on what's going on with your girl. But anyway, so yes, I been delaying everything, like marketing, putting myself out there, as a CPR business and things like that, because I was wanting to get acclimated and comfortable with my current new position at the school. I've been at the school for a couple years, but I just got promoted and now I have a new position. So that was training and things like that. So now I feel like I'm in a good place. I'm pretty comfortable with the position. You know, there's still a couple things that I have to learn, but I feel like I'm ready. Like I am so excited and ready, and I'm just don't want to put it off anymore. And like I said, I feel like I'm in a good space. So I'm gonna get, and I got so many other things that I need to do, and I need to get that ball rolling to get other balls rolling. You know what I mean? So I am in the process of doing that. So that will be tomorrow's goal, to get up at a decent time and, you know, at least, like I said, get up before it's, you know, time for me to go to work, and plenty of time for me to even maybe call and reach out to some places. But I'm definitely gonna make a list of places in my area and in my surrounding area that I can, you know, go and market myself to. That is the goal. That's the goal, girl. That's the goal, child. But yes, so I need to check on my food for a burn. It ain't gonna burn. It's roast. And I just checked on it. But yes, honey, so yes, good. But so yes, that's what I got for the hubby. Altogether, I know for sure that I paid $900 for this. Oh, the hat was $400. Okay, there we go. We're getting a little somewhere. And the shoes were $690. I think I said $690. And so there you go. That's what I paid. Now, we ended up going to Somerset Mall to pick this up. And yeah, what else? And the day that we were out there, I had to order a new clutch for my Louis Vuitton, and then I'm Yarabine. So because the stitching is coming out of one of the corners of my little clutch, that's because I was carrying it like all day, every day through the week at work. It was just like a regular clutch. And I did that for quite some time. And I stopped doing that because I started to notice a lot of wear on it. So I just stopped doing that and got me a little like Coach wristlet that I carry to work every day. And so I have to get it replaced. And it was $300 for them to replace it, because at first I was gonna try to have them repair it, but they were like, oh, it's gonna be $300. So it just makes more sense. I don't have any jewelry or rings on, but it just makes more sense for you to just buy a new one for $300. And I still get to keep my old one. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I ordered it, but it takes like 2 months to come in, I guess. I don't know why, with COVID. I don't know. Everything's blamed on COVID now, that's why I said that. So, but go get y'all some of this Jimmy Choo. Yeah, I gotta figure out what to do with my hair. I took my braids out about, I don't know why I'm acting like it was so long ago that I can't remember. And I have this Eunice headband wig that I put on to figure out, until I figure out what I want to do. I really want more braids. I like to have braids in the summer, because when we get in the vehicles in the drop top, I don't want to have to worry about my hair blowing when we get done riding or driving. Really would like to just get some more braids, but then like I'm sick of braids. As if y'all see that all my vlogs have been braids the past few months. I've had braids since February. I just been getting them redone. And then especially when we're like going on vacation, like you get up and go. You spray them boys and you get up and go, and they're good to go, done. So that's why I like braids, because, you know, obviously you vacation more in the summer, right? Most people do. I do, at least, anyways, we do. So we got a couple trips planned coming up, probably Vegas and Chicago, maybe Atlanta. You know, so I want to just be able to go. I don't want to have to worry about my hair or any of that. So I think I'm gonna just get some more box braids, probably just get some more box braids. And even though I really don't want any more braids, I think that would be the most realistic, smartest, you know, convenient thing to do. So that's probably what I'm gonna do, but I need to make my appointment. But your girl will be rocking this nice wig until then. I had this on in one of my other videos when I was in between braids. In one of my other videos when I was in between braids. So that's why I like these wigs, because they are so low maintenance, they are very convenient, and they're nice for in between hairstyles, you know? So I haven't had a sew-in a really long time, and I kind of really want a sew-in. I know a lot of people don't do sew-ins because a lot of people do the wigs, but I really like sew-ins. Like for me, I don't do a lot of the 360 wigs, like things like that, because first of all, I don't know how to install them. And even if I had somebody install it for me, I need to be able to keep up the maintenance, because I've seen people like where it starts to lift and you got to be able to reapply it. And I don't really know if I would like, see, that's what I'm saying. That's why I like braids, you know, because maintenance. I'm for low maintenance. That's what I'm for, because I'd be so busy. I have so much to do. I'm super excited to get up tomorrow, start this, you know, whole thing, starting with my marketing, because it'll be time to get up and go full force, full speed ahead. So that's the only way I'm gonna get results. Because sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I do want to say this. Sometimes, like when you are in a comfortable space, and it's almost like, why do I, it's not like why, I know what I want to do and I know what I'm going to do, but sometimes it's easy to lag and delay things because you are comfortable. You're not wanting for anything. You're not pressed for anything. Like we're doing okay. We're doing well. Like, so I feel like that's one of my reasons for like delaying things. Also, of course, I do have legitimate reasons why I have been delaying my whole marketing strategy, but I also feel like I am too comfortable in my current position. You know what I mean? I kind of feel like that, and I don't want to be like that. So I'm like pushing myself to go, and I really want this for myself. You know, I'm really motivated. I get a lot of motivation from YouTube. I get a lot of motivation from my husband, because has been running a very successful business for the last 13 years probably. He's been running a very successful business, and he started out so minimum. He started out like with the lowest grade equipment, lowest level vehicle, like, and now to see where he's at today, and to have been on the journey with him, and you know, it just makes you motivated to, you know, want to do more too. And I just want to be more self-independent and just self-sufficient. Like, I don't want to have to work for anybody until I'm 65. I just don't. Like, that just does not sound appealing to me. It doesn't sound like something I want to do. And the only way that I'm gonna and prevent that from happening is if I really go hard with this whole business venture that I have. Like, sometimes for some people, if you are hurting and you need this and you need that, and the only way you're gonna get it is if you know, move forward with this process. You know, like sometimes for people that's more of a motivation, that's more of a make you want to kickstart into high gear on things. But since that's not my current situation, I've just been too lax, and I got to get out of that mode. And I'm definitely not gonna say lazy, because I'm not lazy, because I get up every day, Monday through Friday, and work almost 40 hours a week, if not 40 hours a week. So definitely not lazy, not saying that, but I'm just too comfortable. I'm too content, and I don't want to be content where I'm at right now, because I'm trying to progress and elevate to the next level, okay? As we all should be, right? So yes, you guys, let me get off here so I can go check on my food. Thank y'all for stopping by my channel. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you go check out some of my previous videos, as I have said before, and just, you know, support your girl to keep bringing you guys content. So y'all, I gotta go, because I'm a little tipsy. So it's morning good. Y'all should try it. Stella Rose watermelon. Bye, loves. Deuces.